You're seeing the name Colin Gray trending right now because there's been a major update in the Georgia school shooting case, and people are searching for one thing. What just happened in court? Here's the latest. Colin Gray, the father of the 14-year-old accused in the Apalachee High School shooting in Winder, Georgia, has been found guilty. A jury reached a verdict after hearing arguments about whether he was criminally responsible in connection with the deadly attack that left 4 people dead and several others injured. This case grabbed national attention because it's rare for a parent to face serious criminal charges in a school shooting carried out by their child. Prosecutors argued that there were warning signs about the teen's behavior and that access to a firearm should never have been possible under those circumstances. The jury ultimately agreed, finding Colin Gray guilty on multiple counts tied to the tragedy. Major outlets including CNN, Reuters, and the Associated Press have reported on the verdict, emphasizing how significant this decision could be for future cases across the United States. Now let's talk about why this matters. For years, school shootings have sparked debates about gun control, mental health, and security. But this verdict shifts part of that conversation toward parental responsibility. The core legal question in this trial was simple but powerful. If a parent knows there are credible warning signs and still allows access to a weapon, should they be held accountable? In my view, this case draws a hard line. This was not about punishing someone for something completely unforeseeable. It was about whether preventable risk was ignored. When documented concerns exist and a firearm is accessible to a minor, the law may treat that as more than just poor judgment. At the same time, it's important to recognize how complex parenting can be. Not every troubled teen becomes violent. But when there are serious red flags, securing firearms and seeking intervention is not optional. It's critical. If you search Georgia school shooting, Colin Gray verdict, or parent charged in school shooting, the key takeaway is this. The legal system is signaling that accountability may extend beyond the person who pulled the trigger if negligence played a role. This verdict could influence how similar cases are handled moving forward. And whether you agree with it or not, it marks a significant moment in how the justice system responds to school shooting tragedies in America. For updates on sentencing and further developments, stay tuned.